Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can adjust your effects on CapCut. So select the project you want to add an effect to, press the effects button, and then press video effects. And then I am just going to select an effect. Let's see, this one. So click on it, and to adjust it, just press on it again. You can adjust the filter, the size, and also you can rotate it. But if you don't want to adjust it, for instance, you've already adjusted it like so, you can press reset and press confirm. Or if you've already pressed the checkmark button here, you can still adjust it by pressing on this and press and press adjust. You're just gonna want to do that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!